Hi everyone, this is Ashraf Andakar. Today we are going to open my new laptop, MSI Modern 40 i5 processor 10th generation laptop. I'm very much excited about opening this laptop. Why? Because it has very cool features. We will discuss it later after opening this box. Uh, let's open it, guys. So, what's in the box? This device comes in a sleek brown package. Inside I found a 65-watt power brick, some paper manuals, and the laptop itself hidden in a white protective cloth. MSI is obviously known for its gaming devices, and as a brand, they build not only laptops but also graphics cards, motherboards, monitors, accessories, and many more. So it's needless to say that they have quite a lot of fans worldwide, including me. However, not all of them are hardcore gamers. Some people just need an everyday device for their daily works. And coming to the design and construction part, you get this unit in two color variants. One is silver color and another one is carbon gray color. Not only that, but it weighs only 1.18 kg, around 1.2 kg of weight, and has a profile of 15.9 mm. This makes it extremely portable and the feeling is really premium.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
And coming to the
Your
processor
region
and
is
memory
set to
features of this
United States.
laptop,
Is that
it
right?
has Intel Core i5 10th generation processor, and you will get 512 GB storage SSD capacity with an 8 GB of RAM. It has Intel integrated UHD graphics processor. This MSI company provides 64-bit Windows 10 operating system.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
And coming to the port and slot features, it has one mic slot, two USB ports, one HDMI port, one multi-card
Your
slot,
keyboard is set to
and
US.
micro SD
Want to
card
stick with
reader.
that?
And coming to the webcam, I really like this webcam
Do you
because it
also
has
type with another keyboard
720px
layout?
HD webcam.
Now let's get you connected to a network. So you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one? Now tap your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all set.
As you can see, I have installed my Adobe Premiere Pro software, and believe me guys, it works very smoothly without any lagging problem. And if you are looking for a budget laptop within 50k, this is the perfect choice for you. And you can see I have installed Adobe Photoshop also. Currently I am editing these videos, you can see. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Thank you.